Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use streak freeze on Duolingo application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download Duolingo application on your phone. Of course, if you don't have that, you'd like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go and open the application, of course, to create your account. If you already have an account, of course, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So let me just go here and open my Duolingo application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So let's just wait a bit. So this will actually be your home or your main screen. Of course, that main screen could change, depends on the progress that you got on the language, even the language you are learning. So as you can see, if I click here and I want to change my language, as you can see, the main screen change. So let's just go back to my main language. So if you want to actually, first of all, to do not get a streak freeze, just don't miss any day. So if you get a streak freeze, to make sure you don't lose any of your streaks when you forgot to practice for a day, a streak freeze must be purchased in advance of a day of a missed lesson to protect your streak. Of course, you can equip up to 2 streak freezes at a time, and you can purchase a streak freeze via the app or the web store shop. So if you click here at the gems, and as you can see, for me in this account, I have streak freeze 2 per 2 equipped. So if I miss like 2 days, so as you can see, protect your streaks. If you miss a day of practice, equip up to 2 at once. So if I miss here 2 days in a row of like practicing, I'll not lose my streaks. And of course, you can like buy gems, and if you don't have them here, you'll be able to buy it for 500, I guess, gems, and then equip it through there, the same place. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.